If incoming calls are not being displayed on your Samsung Galaxy A57, then here's what you can do. First of all, we can check if Do Not Disturb mode is not activated. If you do have DND mode activated, then this might be the reason, this is usually the main reason why you cannot see calls on your screen when someone calls you. So what you want to do is simply turn off the DND mode. You can of course also check settings of DND in order to check if there's like a schedule created, so you won't get surprised when the DND mode is going to be activated once again. So of course you can do that. You can also add exceptions to the DND mode. So if you still want to use it, but also you want to make sure that you can see incoming calls from important people, and then of course you can choose calls and messages in here, and you can choose contacts that should be able to always reach you, even if you have DND mode activated. Besides that, we can also go to the phone app. In here, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. This can be also placed slightly below. Then we can go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and we want to go to call display while using apps. And by default, we use small pop-up, but of course, for the sake of noticing incoming calls, you can switch to full screen just in case, and then see if that works. And if these two options do not work for you, if you still cannot see incoming calls, I can also recommend you restarting the option before we proceed. Sorry, the restarting the phone before we proceed. And once you restart your phone, and if it still doesn't work, then in that case, we're gonna go to settings. And over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down. Now over here, we're gonna proceed to apps. And then once you open apps, and now over here, we can tap on this icon on the right side at the top of the list. So these three lines within half an arrow. And we need to show system apps in this place and press OK. Now here at the top, we have the search option. So we're gonna use it. And we need to search for phone. We're gonna type phone in here. There we go. Go to the phone app in here. There we go. We want to force stop it. Next, go to notifications and make sure that notifications are enabled. Make sure that sounded vibration is on as well. And make sure that all of these three options are activated as well. Besides that, we have the show or hide content when locked. I'm not sure if that has any impact, but you can make sure that show always is selected, or if the default option is show always. And then of course, you can choose that as well. And besides that, we can also go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions that we have in here are also allowed. These ones that I have here below, they are not really that important. They shouldn't make any difference. But these ones here, of course, you want to make sure that they are allowed for the app. All right. Besides that, we're gonna go to the storage, and you want to clear data and confirm by tapping on delete. Now we're gonna go back. You want to now open phone and messaging storage. Now in here, we're gonna go to the storage, and then you want to clear data or clear cache. So from now on, as I will go through all of these apps, then we will have to clear data for each of these apps. And if you cannot clear data, you want to clear cache. All right, so now we're gonna go back, go to phone calls. There we go. In here, we're gonna choose the storage, and as I said, we're gonna clear the data. Then we have phone services, which I'm gonna select, of course. In here, tap on the storage. Then we want to clear data, just like before. There we go. And now, since we went through all of these phone apps, we're gonna now switch from phone to call. There we go. Here we have the call app. We want to do exactly the same thing, so storage and clear data. Next, we're gonna choose the call services option. There we go. Go to storage and clear data. All right. Afterwards, we have call settings, which we can also clear. Keep in mind that if you do this, you might need to go to call settings and actually set up these call settings again if you made some changes. Then we have call BG provider, which I'm gonna also clear. There we go. All right. then that should be pretty much it. Oh, actually there's one more smart call. So we're gonna go over here and we want to go to the storage and clear the data as well. Alright, so now that we went through, I believe at least we went through all of these apps, you want to open the phone app, and you might notice some small changes here and there after erasing all the data and such, but you don't have to worry about it. The app itself should work just fine, just like before. And if there are any visible changes, you can just give it some time and it's going to return to the newer version as it was before. And now we can of course check if you can see incoming calls on your phone. And hopefully now it works. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.